Until today, we are familiarized with this type of wiring, no? This is the AC panel. This is the AC panel. You remember, no? We have the pedestal, hot, neutral and ground. We have the inverter, hot, neutral and ground, and generator. Generator. We have inverter, short power, generator, and this is the output. And here we have the transformer, you remember, guys? And here into the ground line, we install, what is the name of that equipment? The galvanic isolator, and after that the ground, and after that the bonding, and blah, blah, blah. That one was the traditional, no? And you are familiarized with this. Until today, 99% of the boats are wiring in a similar configuration like this. This one is double phase. This is why I have double breakers and single breakers, and you are familiarized with these wires. In other words, I can feed the AC panel from the short power, or from the inverter, or from the generator, depending on me. I change the position of this switch, and I feed my AC panel from this, or from this. No? Or I turn off this switch, and I don't have input of AC. That's my decision. That's the tradition. Today, I want to introduce hybrid boat using VICTRON products. Now we are going to talk about the VICTRON products. And in this configuration, if you see, this is the AC panel. The AC panel is exactly the same that AC panel. This AC panel always receive the power, receive the three phases from the inverter. The inverter provides the power for the panel all the time. And this inverter receives input power from short power or generator with this automatic transfer switch. The automatic transfer switch says, okay, short power, and the short power feed both inverters or generator if the generator is running, and the generator feed both inverters at the input, and this is the output of the inverter and output of the inverter. Pay attention, this inverter is different than the previous inverter. What is different in that inverter in comparison with this inverter, the traditional inverter? Okay, in this system, in the new one, you have always input power AC coming from short power or generator, input, and the output feed the panel with this one. And of course, the positive and the negative of the battery are coming from this positive and negative to feed the inverter. Pay attention. This inverter, when you select the mode, because this inverter have the button here, and the button says inverter, charger, or alarm. When the LED of inverting is on, indicate what? That the inverter is receiving DC power from the batteries and converting in AC for this. When the LED in front of the charger is on, it's because the inverter internally activates the battery charger and it's charging the battery banks. No? However, this inverter always have an input. Doesn't matter if it's from this or from this. Suppose that this is in mode charger. It's charging the batteries. But I have power in my AC panel. It's charging, and at the same time, some current from here or here pass directly into the current enter here and goes out directly into the AC panel. This one have the ability to allow that the current pass directly to the panel and charge the system. This one. That's okay? This one, traditionally, the input is DC from the batteries, no? Everybody follow me? And the output is exclusive for the AC panel, to feed the AC panel, the output here. when this element is converting DC into AC, the internal battery charger no works. That's clear? This one charge the battery bank only when it's not inverting, when it's not producing power AC. For safety, this one, the traditional. How is activated that small battery charger here? Because this one have one input AC coming from the AC panel. When the AC panel is fed from generator or shore power, in that case, one breaker enter power here, and this element receive that power, activate the battery charger, and recharge the battery bank. But it's not inverting. That's clear, guys? This one, the tradition. The new one is more intelligent, because this one, they have one AC power in constant and one AC power out constant. That AC power in is coming from those sources, shore or generator, through this automatic transfer switch. That one detects which one is on and move it over there, and allow that the inverter receive input power always. That's okay? And of course, in the output, always you have AC power. Doesn't matter if it's inverting from DC or if it's passing directly the AC coming from the shore power directly into the panel. Everybody follow me?